How to change your cash tag on Cash App. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change your cash tag on Cash App. So all you need to do is make sure that the app is completely up to date. And then to begin with, click on the profile initials from the top right corner of your screen. After which, it's going to take you to this field where you want to click on Edit Profile. When you click the edit profile button, there you have this full name Cashtag. So all you need is just click on the Cashtag button. After which you could enter your desired new Cashtag in the provided field. If the Cashtag is available, you could set button or press the set button will become active. Then you just need to tap the set to confirm your selection. A pop-up will appear informing you to change limits for the Cashtag. Then tap confirm to finalize the update. And that is how you could change your cash tag on Cash App. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.